Hello, this is Kenn Renner, your resident real estate expert here in Santa Rita Ranch, and I wanted to take a moment to invite you to my home buying crash course and wealth building event that's going to be held on April 25th, 11 a.m. at the Ranch House. We're going to get together and we're going to explore this market, whether you be a first-time home buyer or a renter that wants to get out of the renting situation, or if you're a move-up home buyer and you're looking for solutions to how to be able to take advantage of this buyer's market and all the builder incentives that are being offered. We're seeing the builders at pre-pandemic prices right now, and we're seeing interest rates, they're buying it down to pre-pandemic pricing. So this is the greatest opportunity that we've had in years to be able to take advantage of the market. If you know, the market was down 22% since the peak 4 years ago in 2022. And now we've stabilized and we're going to start coming up again. So the time to buy is when the market is adjusting back up. Everybody that attends will get my best-selling book called Home Buying Secrets Revealed, and I'll be covering several chapters in our presentation of the book. So the bottom line is whether you're an entry-level buyer or you're looking to invest in real estate, we can help. I've been doing this now for over 40 years. In the last 6 years alone, I've sold over 500 houses, and I've over 500 million in the course of my career, so over the last 40 years. So I'm going to share my wisdom with you and be able to help you if you're looking at any of these things, because Santa Rita Ranch is an amazing community because we've got a home for every lifestyle. So in other words, we've got homes starting in the 300,000s all the way up to over $2 million and everywhere in between. Now, maybe you're an empty nester looking to retire. We've got the Regency over 55 community. There's $60 million worth of amenities in this community. And so we'd like to be able to, if you're already living here, then we'd love to teach you how to maybe to buy the next one, take advantage, maybe keep your current house as a rental and you're becoming an instant investor. There's some amazing tax benefits and there's some amazing advantages. And also it's a way for you to build legacy. So if you're planning on, as you get older and you build a lot of property and real estate, then your kids will be able to inherit, and they're usually inherited tax free. So please attend our crash course. It's free. It's only an hour. And like I said, everybody gets a copy of my best-selling book, Home Buying Secrets. I just revised it last year. And we're going to jump on this buyer's market journey together. So this is Kenn Renner, resident real estate expert here in Santa Rita Ranch. I'll see you on April 25th at the Ranch House, 11 a.m. See you at the top.